Dear student, welcome to your NIBS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Our today's topic, student, BGS, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies for the student of class 4. Today we will discuss C.B.S.Q, that means competency based short questions and matching from chapter 7. So let's get started our class. Class 4, subject BGS, topic C.B.S.Q, chapter 7. Question number 1. In a society, people are involved in different types of occupations. Name one occupation done manually. Answer. The work that needs physical labor is called manual occupation. The name of an occupation that needs manual labor is factory work. They work long hours to make clothes for export. Here manual means physical and export means sell something to another country. And it is very important, manual work, factory work. Student, you know that garments factory is one of our most important industry in our country, and we earn a lot of money from this sector. So here name one occupation done manually. That means you can write here, if you want you can write here another occupation's name that is related with physical labor if you want. Okay. The answer of these questions is, again I am repeating this question, the work that needs physical labor is called manual occupations. The name of an occupation that needs manual labor is factory work. They work long hours to make clothes for export. Number 2, jobs that help us to lead our daily lives are called profession. What professional jobs are done in hospitals? Student, you know that occupation, that means an occupation is the job by which a man or person earns his livelihood. Answer of these questions is, 2 types of services are given at the hospitals. The first one is the doctor's treatment and the second one is the nurse's service. A doctor provides health services and a nurse looks after sick people. Again I am repeating these questions. 2 types of services are given at the hospitals. The first one is the doctor's treatment and the second one is the nurse's service. A doctor provides health services and a nurse looks after sick people. Number 3, society needs many different kinds of jobs. How should we behave with people with different kinds of jobs? Student, we know in a society, society that means a group of people live in a particular place for particular purposes, and man cannot live alone. He needs everyone's help. So in a society everyone depends on each other. All the jobs have equal importance for our society. All jobs are important for our society. All jobs are important and necessary for our society. So we must not look down upon any occupation. Here look down upon, that means hate. So we must not hate any occupations, because all occupations are important and all the jobs have equal importance for our society. We should respect people of all occupations. So we will be respectful for all the occupations. Now matching. Match these jobs with where the people work. Here column A and column B, in the right side here are given some places name where the people work, and in the left side column A here are given some occupations name. So we will match column A with column B. Doctor, you know, is very important occupations. Doctor, here are given shop, school, laboratory, hospital and offices. We know doctor works at hospital, so we will match doctor with hospital. Salesperson, you know, salesperson job to sell something in a shop. So administrator, we know administrator works at office. Teacher teaches us at school. and scientists, they research at laboratory. Student, this is your homework number 6 and topic matching. Do your homework at home, student, and submit on Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you next class.